Hi, friends. If you have not done so already, you need to listen to the Sun Song. That's going to help you understand how to do this worksheet. So if you haven't listened to the Sun Song, go ahead and scan that code and sing along. The first thing you're going to do is write your name. Pause the video and write your name. All right, let's get started. This says, label the sun's position with the time of day using the words from the word bank. I gave you a word bank down here. This says late afternoon, morning, and noon. You have to use these three words and figure out where they go. What word would go here? Look at the position of the sun. What word would go here? Look at the position of the sun. What about here? Look at the position of the sun here. Okay, and this says west, and this says east. Do you remember where the sun rises and where it sets? If not, listen to that sun song. The next thing you're going to do after you fill in the blanks and label the positions of the sun, you're going to fill in the sentence. I started the sentence for you. The sun rises in the, does it rise in the east or the west? If you don't know, make sure you listen to that song. You have to write east or west here, depending on if you remember where it rises. The sun sets in the, does it set in the east or the west? Write your answer. I even spelled east and west for you. Last one. The sun is highest at, is it highest in the morning or is it highest at noon? You're going to write either morning or noon. And I spelt those words for you too. You just can't see it in my video. It got cut off. Okay? Do your best work. If you have time, you can even color in this beautiful picture. Okay. See you later.